this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a new customer inside of Zoho Books. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Zoho Books like you usually would. Then from here you need to log into your account and go down to Sales over here in the left hand corner and go to Customer. When that is done, this page should be popping up where you have the opportunity to create a new customer. And if you click on this, then this page should be popping up where you can change the customer type, where you can either choose business or individual. You can write in the primary contact of your customer. You can change the solution to Mr., Mrs., Miss or Doctor, and you can change the first name and last name. Then from here you can change the company name if you want to have that inside of your Zoho Books display, and you can add a display name. This one in particular is required before you can actually save the company. Now from here you need to add an email address to the primary contact and a phone number, either a work phone or a mobile phone number. So when that is done, you can scroll down until you see these other details. And as you can see here, you can add a company ID if the company has that. You can change the currency if, say, your customer is not from the United States but somewhere in Europe. You can change it from USD to Euro instead. And you can also change the tax rate if you want to do that. Then from here you can add an opening balance, an exchange rate. As you can see here, you cannot really edit or change that. That is automatically. You can add a payment term where you can add either of these. You can enable portal access for this customer, but if you do that, you need to have a mandatory email address for that specific company. And you can add a portal language, and you can change that to any language in the world basically. Then from here you can also add your documents. That could be anything from your contract with customer or an invoice that you had previously made. Then from here you can add more custom details like a website URL, a department or a designation, and you can even add the customer's social media accounts. Then from here you can add to address. As you can see here, this is the billing address and the shipping address. And when you have done filling this in, you can go over to the contact person. And here you can add as many persons that you want to. There could be anyone from that specific company. So let's say I have Knut Jensen, and you can also change the salvation if you want to do that. And you can add as many contact people as you possibly want. And you can even delete. Then from here you can also add the remarks if you want to do that or have any remarks about this specific customer. And when that is done, you can just click save. And when that is done, you can see something like this on your customer. Your active customer should be over here. You can also change that to inactive or any one other of these. And you can see all of the information about this specific customer over here. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!